guys, welcome to Physics Hub. Today in this video we are going to discuss a very important topic from mathematical physics, which is very important for your upcoming session at physical science exam. So the topic is Cauchy-Euler differential equation of second order. So you must have seen in the previous year question that a special type of differential equation came. So let us start with the general form of that particular differential equation. This is known as Cauchy-Euler differential equation, and the general form is given by this: a2x square d square by dx square plus a1x dy dx plus a0y equals to qx. Okay, if you see this kind of differential equation in the question, then what will you do? First of all, you have to put x equals to e to the power z. So this is the initial what you need to do. So ln x can be written like z by taking logarithm on both sides. So if you take derivative with respect to x, then it will become 1 by x equal to dz by dx. Just save it, 1 by x dz by dx. Now our main target is to uh, replace this x square into dx square y by dx square. So first of all, we'll find out dy by dx. So dy by dx can be written like this: dy by dz into dz by dx. Okay, and dz by dx we have already got 1 by x. So just put the value 1 by x into dy by dz. And in this way, we can just multiply this x here. So it becomes x dy dx equals to dy by dz. So we are closely approaching to this x square into d square by dx square. We have already found x dy dx equals to dy by dz. Okay, now d square by dx square means d dx of dy dx, and dy dx we have already found out 1 by x into dy dz. Okay, so this becomes minus 1 by x square into dy dz. So we are taking derivative of this term 1 by x into dy dz, minus 1 by x square into dy dz plus 1 by x into d square y by dz square into dz by dx. Fine. So dz we have divided and multiplied. So it becomes minus 1 by x square into dy dz plus 1 by x square, and you see dz by dx is equals to 1 by x. So just putting the value, it becomes 1 by x square d square by dz square. Fine. And if you multiply the both side of this equation by x square, then it becomes x square into d square by dx square equals to minus dy dz plus d square by dz square. And that's what we want. Okay, x square into d square by dx square. So just put this value in this parent differential equation, and what you will get? You will get a2 into d square by dz square plus a1 minus a2 into dy dz plus a0 into y equals to kz. And this is our known differential equation form. This above equation is nothing but a linear second order non-homogeneous differential equation, and you know how to solve this kind of differential equation. So our problem was with the form of this given differential equation. Now what we have done, we have assumed this x equals to e to the power z, and we have transformed this equation, Euler-Cauchy differential equation, into the conventional second order non-homogeneous differential equation, which is very easy to solve. Now let me just briefly tell you about the steps. So what will you do? First of all, you will identify whether the given equation is a Cauchy-Euler differential equation or not. How will you find out? You will check it: a2x square into d square by dx square plus a1x dy dx plus a0y equals to qx. And you will try to find out the value of a2, value of a1, value of a0. Okay, once it is found out, you can write directly from this equation to this equation: a2 into d square by dz square plus a1 minus a2 dy by dz plus a0 into y equals to qz. Here x equals to the power z. Now you know how to solve this differential equation. So you will solve it conventionally, and when you will be writing the final solution, you will just replace e to the power z by x in the final solution. So this is the way to solve this kind of differential equation. So let me just show you some example. So let's say we are given this problem. So we are given a differential equation like this: x square into d square y upon dx square plus 2x dy upon dx, okay, minus 20y. This is equals to x plus 1 whole square. So how to solve this particular differential equation? So as you can see, this equation is Cauchy-Euler differential equation. Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So our first task is to identify the value of a2, value of a1, and value of a0. Okay, so a2 is the coefficient with this x square into d square by dx square. So a2 equals to 1 here. a1 equals to the coefficient with x divided dx, that is 2 here. a0 is the coefficient with y, that is minus 20. And what we have to assume? We have to assume let x equals to e to the power z. And then our equation will become in this form. Okay, in this form. So let me just write it that form. a2 into d square y dz square. So a2 is 1. So 1 into d square y upon dz square plus a1 minus a2 means 2 minus 1 into dy upon dz. Okay, and what is that in the formula? Plus a0 into y. a0 is minus 20, so minus 20 into y. This is equals to x plus what we have taken, x equals to e to the power z. So e to the power z plus 1 whole square. And this equation become our conventional equation, d square by dz square plus dy by dz minus 20y equals to e to the power z plus 1 whole square. So what is this? This is linear second order non-homogeneous differential equation. Now we know how to solve this kind of differential equation. We'll first solve the homogeneous part, then we'll take care of the non-homogeneous part by finding the particular integral. So how to find out the solution for the homogeneous part? We have to solve the auxiliary equation. So let's write the auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation? We'll just write d dx by m. We'll replace d dx by m and d square by dx square by m square. In this way, what we can write? We can write the auxiliary equation as m square, okay, plus m minus 20. This is equals to 0. Can you write it? M square plus m minus 20 equals to 0. So m square, we can write 5 into 4 plus 5m minus 4m minus 20 equals to 0. So m into m plus 5 minus 4 into m plus 5, this is equals to 0. This is m minus 4, m plus 5, this is equals to 0. Therefore, the value of m equals to 4 and minus 5. So what we can write? We can write the homogeneous solution yh equals to c1 into e to the power m1x, c to the power 4x plus c2 e to the power minus 5x. Now, as I have told you, you have to replace e to the power x, e to the power z by x. Okay, so here the independent variable was z. So here in place of x, it will be z. Okay, sorry, this will be e to the power 4z and it will be 5z, and you have to replace e to the power z by x. So it becomes c1 x to the power 4 plus c2 x to the power minus 5. So the homogeneous part is complete. Now we have to consider this non-homogeneous part. Means we have to find out the particular integral. So how can we find out the particular integral? The particular integral will be 1 by f of d. Here f of d is d square plus d minus 20. What we have to do? We have to replace d dx by d square by dx square, sorry, d dz here. D square dz square equals to d square. Here also, you can in place of x, you just write z, because now the independent variable has been changed to z. Okay, so d square plus d minus 20 and e to the power z plus 1 whole square. And this can be written like this: 1 by d square plus d minus 20 e to the power 2z plus twice e to the power z plus 1. And you know how to solve this e to the power az. So you have to put a here in place of d. Okay, so 1 by f of a hota hai. So it will become 1 by 2 square plus 2 minus 20 e to the power 2z plus 2 into 1 by, here e to the power az means 1 square plus 1 minus 20 e to the power z. Here 1 means e to the power 0. So plus 1 by 0 square plus 0 minus 20 into 1. So this will produce minus 1 by 14 e to the power 2z minus 1 by 9 e to the power z minus 1 by 20. So this is the particular integral. Now the total solution, general solution is given by yh, or complementary function plus particular integral. So complementary function is c1 x to the power 4 plus c2 x to the power minus 5 plus this particular integral. Okay, I'm writing it inside this bracket, minus 1 by 14 e to the power 2z minus 1 by 9 e to the power z minus 1 by 20. So in this way, we can write the solution, or you can solve the Cauchy-Euler differential equation. So I think now if you are given any question in this form of Cauchy-Euler differential equation, you can now easily solve. Okay. So if you have any kind of problem, question, query, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer them all. And guys, before we end the video, let me just tell you that Unacademy has a lot of benefits. Unacademy Plus subscription has a lot of benefits. You can join Unacademy today by using our referral code Physics Hub. You get daily live classes, you get part length and full length tests with their detailed solutions, you get assignments with their detailed solutions, proper structured codes, the whole syllabus is covered, dedicated doubt clearing sessions are conducted after every 3 lectures, PDF of the study materials and class notes are given, classes are conducted in both language, Hindi and English. Offline video recordings are available to watch anytime. WhatsApp and Telegram group supports are also there. Currently, these two courses are ongoing. A digital course in mathematical physics, revision course on condensed matter physics and electronics. And you can see the timing, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, Friday 9 p.m. Our referral code is Physics Hub, and these courses are going to come in the next month. So you can join anytime for CSR UGC NET preparation. My approach is I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. I discuss relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problems based on the topic, including previous year questions. Homework and assignments are also given to you. And this kind of fee structures are available on my academy. You can choose any of the plan. You can have a plan from 1 month to 24 months. And if you apply this referral code, Physics Hub, then you get 10% off on overall fees. And this is applicable for any stream, any subscription on an academy. You can utilize this referral code. Okay. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell. Finally, thanks for watching.